Alright, so in this video, real estate. I'm going to demo my this was a site we created for our started up right midterm project. As you can see, it has a login. It contains a login function, and I'm just going to log in. Alright, so this is a system that's made to basically resemble something that you might find an equipment rental. When I'm logged in as agent, I can do a number of things. Several different, first being, I can parts of functionality to it. One of the first ones we'll start with is fill out that form, add customer. So with add customer, this is actually simply a form that you fill out all the data. It is validated, so if I were to miss some of it, it will give me lots of errors. Everything has to be selected. It's quite extensive, so we won't sort through the entire thing right now. And show I wish to go. Another thing that I can do is add an inventory item. So it's also the same thing. If I'm missing anything, I'm going to choose whether I want to restore showing or give me errors. Along with that, I can also browse for an image and search showings. Add an image to the inventory, selecting a date. So I'll just select one of my dogs again. And as you can see, it's displayed here. And in this project, I actually had it so it would save the images directly to the database, showing in view binary format. But for now, we'll leave that alone. One of the most important things probably is the create agreement. In this, you simply, another thing we can do is create a list search for a company, select a customer. So first I have to choose a customer. This is basically the process of renting an item for a customer. Then you would click next, and it would bring up to the next part of the wizard. And then I can fill out this form, kind of a wizard application. Then you can, all items that are available for rent will be displayed, as well as rented and non-available items. And it will be validated. So you can select one, and click add, and it will be added to the list below, and then set as rented, so it's locked filling out. After that, if you add a couple, you could also view a list. It will bring you to a confirmation screen, in which you can make small edits, fill out any of the criteria I wanted, such as the amount of days rented, leave it as blank, change that to 1, I can change that, it doesn't need a password. However, if I wanted to change the rate per day, click on I need a password. So let's say I want to give the guy a big discount. I would require an admin password, which leads also enter criteria such as a min and max price. Oh, so that's not the right password. So you can see this one was $10. When I add in that criteria, it will no longer display. And there we go. So with the right password, the rate was changed. And as you can see, the amount tax and total were updated as well. Reports. So then I could click save, and the agreement was created successfully. There's also in which I can process agreement, which basically is the process of returning items, plain format for, as well as editing manager customer standing, and also you can also upload inventory status. As you can see, I have made it into a tabbed application, and so multiple tabs can be opened. However, none of the same one. So if I click this again, that is pretty much the gist of this application. And so yeah, that's pretty much the end to your application. Thank you.